Rimac Nevera R. The Rimac Nevera R, designed and built in Croatia. This four-motor electric hypercar delivers a mind-bending 2,107 horsepower from a 120 kilowatt-hour battery pack. In 2025, it set a verified top speed of 268 miles per hour, making it the fastest electric vehicle ever recorded. What makes the Nevera truly revolutionary is its torque vectoring system, allowing each wheel to be controlled individually, giving the car unbelievable precision and grip. From 0 to 60 miles per hour takes just 1.66 seconds. This isn't just acceleration, it's instant teleportation. Rimac didn't just build a car, they built a glimpse into the future of performance.